Hi Tamariki, welcome to another baking video with Jaymee. Today you are going to learn how to make banana chocolate chip muffins. So let's begin. Firstly, you're going to need to gather all of your ingredients. You will need 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 bananas, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 cup of chocolate chips. Next, line your tray with baking cups or spray with cooking spray and preheat your oven to 180 degrees. In a mixing bowl, add in the eggs, oil, milk, sugar, and mashed banana. Then grab a mixing spoon and lightly mix the ingredients together. Use the electric mixer to mix everything together well. Next, pour your measurement of flour into the sifter. Then sift it into the bowl. Then add your baking powder to the sifter and sift that into the mixture too. Now it's time to fold all of the mixture together. Continue mixing as well as you can until it creates a doughy texture. Next, you're going to add the chocolate chips. Then fold the chocolate chips in lightly until they are all mixed in. Fill up all the baking cups at least 3/4 full. Once the baking tray is full, add it to your oven for 15 to 18 minutes. When the timer has finished, take the muffins out of the oven and let them cool down before you eat. Enjoy!